Hello YouTube family. Today I want to give you my opinion on a system I've been using since 2023. So before we get to the video, I do got a question to ask you guys. Y'all get tired of joining all these sponsors that they don't help you, or they move out to some BS program, or they not helping you, or they run out somewhere, or they playing around with you, and then when you contact them they get smart and disrespectful and they block you or something like that. I'm not that type of person to do that. So that's just who I am as me, and how Isaiah Primm conducts himself. So now let's get to the video. We're gonna talk about Lead Lightning 2.0. And I'm gonna explain you what it is, what it's about, and more, and then I will put a call to action steps to take. So here we go. What's Lead Lightning? It's been around since 2013. It's owned by Mike Price and Neil Gus. These are the two owners that created Lead Lightning back in 2013. You know, it's a great opportunity. It's not a scam. It's not a Ponzi scheme. It's nothing like that. And they're still around. I guess Neil Gus is still around. I'm not sure about Mike Price, but Neil Gus is around. So he's there to help you, along with a awesome group of people that you'll meet when you get in the back office. So that's what it is. And knowing also that, but it has great reputation. So that's all I gotta say about that. Now, what's in the system? How much it costs? What will you be getting? And more. Now, for a one-time $7 where you earn $6 commissions on the front end, you get the basic stuff: a capture page, a CRM, basic training, AI duplication, and more. And then on the optional upsells, which is the two other upgrades I'm gonna get into, and a recurring income, you'll get a in the box for $25. Oh, excuse me, $37 one time with a $25 commission, and then on the optional upgrade is $147 one time with a free ad secrets, which gets you everything from more training to a 14-day trial with the Power Lead system. You can cancel that anytime you want to. And then there's also a recurring income with that as well, which is $53 a month with that. And that's a recurring income of $20. So that's what it is, and that's what it's about. And you can't bypass this. This is great. If you looking for a system, a lead generator system where you can generate leads, promote your opportunities, and more. So that's all I gotta say for that one. Now, here's my call to action steps. If you're ready to take action, click the link below in the description, and after that, check out my Facebook profile, and like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the back, in the inside of the back office. So let's take action. Let's not procrastinate. Let's work with the best leader, which is me. Let's go. 2026. Let's finish this. Let's go.